What's up, hair bosses? It's your hair business's best friend, Mikey, and today I have a new product alert for you. Over the past year, one of our best-selling products have been Bob Wigs. They just sell phenomenal. They're easy to put on. It has a frontal construction. They have been amazing, both for private label extensions and all our clients. But today, I have something that's going to be very similar to those Bob Wigs, but maybe better for some of your clients. As you can see, I have one of our Bob Wigs here, but this one's a little different than the ones you've probably been used to on private label extensions. We now have the Closure Construction Bob Wigs. So as you can see, Closure Construction, adjustable straps. This is a medium cap. You can see the lace in the front. It will require very little plucking, very natural looking, great quality hair. This is going to be a huge seller for our clients. These new Closure Construction Bob Wigs will be available on private label extensions, private label wholesale, and of course available for drop shipping on both Dropship Bundles and Dropship Beauty. I'll have links to all those websites below, and you're going to be selling these like crazy. I want to know, what other products would you be excited to have available on private label extensions and through all the drop shipping sites? Please leave them in the comments below. We really appreciate your feedback and work hard to getting our clients the products they need.